So I don't know if I'll cut this out or not, but this is going to be part 1 of restoring a Commodore 64, which I found in the abandoned building. Today is going to be based on cleaning, part 1. So, this might not be that interesting. I'll probably time lapse it and put some music over it. Alright, sorry for the change of camera. I didn't think you're seeing enough, so I decided to switch it. How dirty this is. It's nasty. Whoa. Nice bit of rust. I have no plans on turning this thing on today, so I don't really have to worry about moisture. Well, I might turn on later, but you know, I don't think, well, by that time it should probably be dry. So this is clean the power supply first, and I'll probably clean the actual computer itself. Right, story about this thing is this came out of an old alcohol factory, and I'd say the building was going to be knocked down, so I was managed to explore it before then. They said I could take this, so don't worry, it's completely legal in taking this. They said I could take anything I want, so I got an entire Commodore 64 set, which is pretty sick, which you'll see further on in me cleaning. You got a toothbrush. Clean that better next time. Toothbrush for the next shot. See how much a quick wipe down can do, it's crazy. There's the specs, but I want to read them. So, that is the first part, which is the power supply is on. Now it's time for the star of the show. Now, unfortunately with this, it's missing a few keys, and the keyboard has been broken off, and things extremely rusty, as you can see. I've already given this thing a hose down in the past, but I didn't really have much luck with that, so... except you can see the PCB is a lot cleaner than it used to be, but the outside, still filthy. Used to be a lot worse though, but I still need to wipe it down. So this bit can come back later. Oh, it's on the keyboard. Sorry if this thing ever comes out of camera, it's just hard to see. It's just hard to keep in place. Don't worry, I will be getting anti-slip in here soon, I just haven't done it yet. As you can see, it's extremely corroded by the power button there. So, this thing shows signs of life, because on the screen it shows whenever it's turned down, but no computer, like literally just power life. So, either the RF modulator's dead because I don't have a SCART cable for this, or this computer's dead, which in typical conditions more likely. But I've got heat guns, so I'll try that. Don't worry about wet, I'm gonna let it dry out. It's a relatively sunny day outside, so except I got a dehumidifier in here, I'll probably just stick in front of that. So you can see a lot of this dirt's kind of permanent, but I'm just kind of getting this more to the condition where it isn't disgusting to touch. As you can see under here, actually no you can't, but on the other end the screw pegs are all broken, so this thing will sadly always be in 2 parts. Now I might come back with this a bit later with some stronger cleaning stuff, but I think, okay. I actually see some of the codes there. There's some more things to show, but for now I'm just going to show some stuff. So this keyboard's going to need a lot more, what do you call it, electronic attention. But for now, I'm just going to get this thing looking good-ish. Also, if you're wondering why I'm not using like a tile or something, like a Yip guy, this thing's already fucked, so I don't think I really have to worry about it. It looks like the worst VIC-20 you ever saw, so it's like I don't really want to put any of my tiles on this. And also, as you can see, I've literally just ran out of ketchup paper, so I couldn't put it on top of that. Also, okay, we're on again. Sorry, my phone decided to restart for some reason, so you can see there's some mechanical problems here where the wires just came off, and also the wires are kind of like cut here, so that's annoying. Also, the underside of this is filthy, so I'm gonna have to clean that. Well, I don't think they really need to see the underside cleaning of a keyboard, so I think that's gonna do it for today. You'll see more later.